Welcome to our roundup of the best laser measures. Precise and convenient tools designed to make distance measurement faster, easier, and more accurate. Whether you're working on home improvement projects, construction tasks, interior design, or simple room measurements, a reliable laser measure can save time and reduce errors compared to traditional tape measures. Modern laser distance meters offer features like long-range measurement, multiple modes, backlit displays, memory storage, and high accuracy within just a few millimeters. Many models are also compact and easy to carry, making them perfect for both professionals and DIY users. Let's take a closer look at some of the best laser measures available right now. Starting with the SG Sergol laser measure, this model is a solid option for users who want dependable performance for both home and light professional use. It typically offers accurate distance measurement with a practical range suitable for indoor and outdoor tasks. The device often includes multiple measurement modes such as distance, area, volume, and Pythagorean calculations for indirect measurements. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold, while the simple button layout ensures easy operation even for beginners. Many users appreciate its fast response time and consistent accuracy across repeated measurements. The clear backlit display also helps improve visibility in low-light environments. Additionally, it provides reliable results for renovation projects, furniture placement, and general measuring tasks without unnecessary complexity. It also delivers stable readings even during continuous use and supports quick unit switching for added convenience. Next up is the Laser laser measure, a model known for offering extended range and solid accuracy at an affordable level. It is typically designed to handle longer measurement distances, making it useful for larger rooms, open spaces, and outdoor projects. The device often includes multiple measurement functions, allowing users to calculate area, volume, and indirect distances easily. Its durable outer casing helps protect it from minor drops and regular use, while the compact size keeps it portable and easy to carry. Many users find it especially helpful for quick measurements due to its responsive performance. It also includes a bright display and straightforward controls, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. It also ensures consistent accuracy over longer distances and improves efficiency for repeated measurement tasks. Moving on to the D-Tape laser measure, this model focuses on simplicity, portability, and reliable everyday performance. It is typically compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry in your pocket or toolkit. Despite its smaller size, it still delivers accurate measurements for indoor tasks such as room sizing, layout planning, and basic construction work. The device usually includes essential measurement modes like distance, area, and volume, helping users complete common calculations quickly. Many users appreciate its easy-to-use interface and quick measurement results. It's a great option for those who want a no-fuss measuring tool that performs consistently without complicated features or setup requirements. It also offers smooth operation with minimal lag and maintains stable performance across different measuring conditions. Stepping up in performance, the MyLeasy laser measure offers a strong balance of advanced features and reliable accuracy. This model typically includes extended range capability along with functions like continuous measurement, angle measurement, and multiple calculation modes. It's designed for users who need more precision and flexibility in their work. The build quality often includes a durable casing that can handle regular job site conditions. Many users also appreciate its high visibility display and responsive controls, which make operations smooth and efficient. It works well for professionals such as contractors, real estate agents, and interior designers who require consistent and accurate measurements. Additionally, it often includes memory storage for saving multiple readings, improving workflow efficiency. It also delivers fast processing speed and reliable performance during complex measurement tasks. Taking the top spot is the Kipram Dual Laser Measure, a powerful and feature-rich tool designed for high-level performance and long-distance accuracy. This model typically offers an extended measurement range along with dual laser capability for improved precision. It includes multiple advanced modes such as area, volume, continuous measurement, and Pythagorean calculations, making it highly versatile for different applications. The sturdy construction ensures durability, while the large backlit display makes readings easy to see in various lighting conditions. Many users appreciate its fast processing speed and stable performance across long distances. With its combination of advanced features, strong accuracy, and professional-grade design, this laser measure stands out as the best overall option. It's especially suitable for large projects and demanding measuring tasks where precision is critical. It also ensures highly consistent results even in challenging environments and extended working conditions. All of these laser measures serve different needs depending on range, features, and usage requirements. The SG Circle laser measure offers reliable everyday performance. The Lacellion laser measure provides extended reach with solid accuracy. The D-Tape laser measure focuses on simplicity, convenience, and ease of use. The MyLeasy laser measure delivers advanced functionality with dependable precision. And the Kipram dual laser measure stands out as the most powerful and versatile option overall. That wraps up our list of the best laser measures, from compact everyday tools to advanced models built for long-distance accuracy and professional applications. If you're upgrading your toolkit, working on renovations, or simply need faster and more accurate measurements, there's a great option here for you. Let us know in the comments which laser measure you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tool reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and make your next measuring project quicker, easier, and more precise with the right laser tool.